Hey guys, welcome back in Bangla YT, and in this video I showed you how you can simply make the server replicated networking system in Unreal Engine. Let me show you first. So as you can see in the play mode, I select that 2-player mode and set as a play as a central listen server. And if I already create some code in my third-person player, that left shift press, that when I press the left shift my speed will be increased, and if I didn't press that one, so my speed correctly will be 300. Okay, so now if I play this game, and let me show you that. Now as you can see in my this viewport, that it's working very slowly. Okay, but if you saw in my viewport of the editor viewport, as you can see, it's not doing that same thing, like it's not playing the same animation. It is still have the default animation that we are walking goodly. Okay, not we are not walking slowly. Okay, and if I now just fast run, as you can see, it's also the same thing. Okay, it didn't run fast. Okay, because it's not server replicated. Okay, now it's not sending any data in our server that our server can understand that he's walking slowly or running fastly. So for understand our server, what we will do is basically very simple, that at here we will be create some block, that custom event. First of all is the server, that server run fast. Okay, so that is for our first. Then we'll be give that server work. Okay, so same, just create the custom event, that custom us custom event, that server work. Okay, that is the work, and that is the server run first and server work. So now what you need to do is basically click on the custom event, and here as you can see application, it need to set, as you can see, it not replicated. Click on that on run server, because we want to send our data in our server. Then we do the same thing for the work. Okay, then compile and save. Now what you need to do is basically copy these your components, that where you save this new code that create the movement. Just copy this thing and paste it here. Then just with run first, just add this thing, and with run work you need to add with this. So now we need to call this custom event. So at here just call this custom event, that server that run fast, and then second one is that server server work. Okay, so we'll be set the server work. So the server work with server work, and the fast run with server with this one. Okay, now compile and save. Now if we hit the play and now check at here, that now as you can see we are walking slowly. Let's try to go near with our player. As you can see, now we are walking very slowly as we are doing in our real viewport. Okay, as you can see, the editor viewports now also showing the same animation and all the same thing. And if I run fast, okay, as you can see, it's running fastly without any problem. Okay, so I just hope you understand. So how you can make this, that is the basically very simple. And he's looking like a monkey. Okay, the monkey jumping on there. Okay, so I hope you understand. So if you have any question, you can comment in my comment box. Thank you so much for watching guys, love you all, and bye bye. In the next video we'll try to learn something more, so just wait and watch. Thank you so much, bye bye.